morning. I can't hear you. Good morning, tourists. Oh, that's the spirit. I hope you keep the spirit alive. As we embark on our journey today, good morning to my tourists, church evaluators, and fellow Cutler Small. Good morning. By the way, I am Eliza Arden Perez, but you can call me Eliza for short, and I will be your tour guide for today, who will give you 7107 reason to smile. In behalf of my TM Travel and Tour, I would like you to meet Coach Captain Kuya Angelo Mabini. Say hello to Kuya Angelo. Kuya Angelo is a professional bus driver, and I assure you that you will take us to our destination safe and sound. Also, please reminded that our bus number is 1211. Again, our bus number is 1211. So much for that. Let us now do our head. Don't you know if we are all complete? 5, 10, 15, 20. We are all complete. All this moment, let me inform you some friendly reminders and safety precaution for our tour to be moved, flowing, and hassle-free. First, synchronize your time with my time so that no one will be left behind. The time with me is 8 a.m. Second, please observe the body system so that no one will get lost. And lastly, if you have questions and qualifications, please don't hesitate to approach me and I will attend to that. Are you quite excited? I'm sure you are excited because we have arrived in our destination. Welcome to Quezon Province. Did you know that Quezon Province is named after Manuel Luis Quezon, who selected the site in 1939? Quezon Province is renowned as the coconut capital of the country due to its impressive coconut production. Real has 17 barangays, 14 rurals, and 3 urbans. Its total area is 563.8 kilometers squared, the second largest in the province. Welcome to Quezon Province. Our first destination for today is in Beslin Island. Beslin Island is located 21 kilometers southeast of Polillo, Quezon Province. Beslin Island Clubs offers luxurious villas and amenities patterned after some of the most alluring destinations around the world. Our second destination is in Salibungot Beach. Salibungot Beach is located in Qumalig, an island municipality of Quezon Province. This beach is called the Sunrise Beach of Qumalig because the beach faces east and because of the sand color. Our third destination is in Dampalitan Island. Dampalitan Island is located in Padre Burgos, Quezon Province. Dampalitan has a long shoreline that's great for setting up camp. Our fourth destination is in Borowan Beach. This famous beach is located in Padre Burgos, Quezon Province, coined its name from the two famous beaches in the Philippines, namely Boracay and Palawan, because of its resemblance in white sand and limestone rock formation. Our fifth destination is in Cagbalete Island. Cagbalete is an island of the east coast of Luzon, Philippines on Laman Bay. It is part of Quezon Province and administered by the municipality of Mauban, Quezon. Our sixth destination is in Kanaway Beach. The Kanaway Beach is located in Sitio Petisan of Barangay Abad, the easternmost side of Kamalig Island, that is facing the edge of Pacific Ocean, just beside the Kanaway River. And last but not the least, our last destination is in Mount Banahaw. Mount Banahaw is an active complex volcano in Luzon in the Philippines. The Three-Peak volcano is located at the boundary of Laguna and Quezon provinces. It is the highest mountain in the both province of Calabarzon region, dominating the landscape for miles around. Our tour for today is done. Thank you for joining and have a good day. Thank you.